In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable an alert in MetaTrader 5. If you have an alert active in MetaTrader 5 and you want to turn it off without deleting it completely, the process is very quick once you know where to look. Disabling an alert can be useful when you want to temporarily stop notifications while keeping the alert saved for later use. That way, you do not need to recreate it from scratch when you want to enable it again in the future. To begin, look toward the lower section of the MetaTrader 5 platform and find the Toolbox panel. This area contains several useful tabs for managing platform activity, including trading information, history, journal messages, and alerts. If your toolbox is already visible, you can move straight to the next part. If not, simply make sure the bottom panel is open so you can access the available tabs there. Once you are in the toolbox, click on the Alerts tab. This is a section where all of your created alerts are listed. Here, you can review the alerts you currently have set up and identify the one you want to turn off. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct alert, especially if you have more than one running at the same time. After locating the alert you want to stop, right-click directly on that alert. A small context menu will appear with different actions related to that item. This menu gives you quick control over the alert without needing to open additional settings. From that menu, click Disable. As soon as you do that, the alert will be turned off. It will remain in your list, but it will no longer trigger until you decide to enable it again. This is a helpful option if you want to pause an alert temporarily instead of removing it permanently. And that's all it takes to disable an alert in MetaTrader 5. The key thing to remember is that disabling keeps the alert available for future use, which can save time and help you stay organized. If you manage multiple alerts, it is also a good idea to double check their status from time to time, so you always know which ones are active and which ones are paused. Thanks for watching, and that's how to disable an alert in MetaTrader 5.